All right, so now we've got all the holes welded up. You can see these bigger ones were a little bit more of a hassle, but we've got them all filled in now. All these little ones across the middle where the little rubber pieces were to keep the rack from sitting, or the stuff from sitting on the roof, is gone. We just went around ever so slightly. If one didn't fill in the first weld, we just went to a different one and then came back to it, so we didn't put too much heat in the panel or warp it. Obviously it's the hood, so you're not going to see it a whole lot. It doesn't matter that much, but I still didn't want to put a bunch of extra warpage in here we didn't need to. So now we're going to go through with that flap wheel on the grinder and smooth these welds over. I've got some wet sandpaper soaking right now, and we'll go ahead and start wet sand blocking the top so we can get ready to spray some paint maybe next week if it doesn't rain. And then we'll get some nice LED cab marker lights on here and the LED cargo light on there as well. And it'll be a third brake light as well. So we'll get all that done and we'll see you here in a few minutes. All right, so we just finished wet sanding, obviously, this half of the roof here. Everything turned out good. It's nice and smooth. So we're going to get us some epoxy primer. We'll put it on here. We'll shoot it up. And once we get the whole roof wet sanded, we'll shoot that up. We'll wet sand it again, and then we'll hit it with some Summit White. And we'll have a good two-tone look, and we won't be melting in the truck in the summertime here in North Carolina because the roof will be white and not this terrible black color that shows dirt terribly if you look down there. And we'll get our new lights and our new third brake light and cargo light mounted right there, and we'll be better than a new truck because we'll have old school style. We'll peel all this off and see what it's going to look like. All right, so we've got the paint done. We've got the new cab marker lights with the LEDs in it. We're gonna put the cargo light on back here. It took us 3 times to get the paint right. The first time I didn't prep it, so I didn't wipe it down like you're supposed to. So to be doing this right here, it got it all jacked up and it, what they call fisheye. So we did that. You'll see that in the video, or you've seen that in the video by now. The second time I got in a hurry and didn't set the gun up right, so it sprayed out dry. When it sprays out dry, basically it's all textury and it has no gloss because the paint didn't spray out wet enough. Third time, I put all 3 of those mistakes together, or all 2 or 3 of those mistakes, and it came out right. So it's been wet sanded all the way up to 800 because we had to get all the screwed up paint off. So it's wet sanded 800. It's just a single stage GM or Chevrolet Summit White / Olympic White. Single stage, shot it with a Harbor Freight paint gun. Taped it off, came out really good. We got to clean the windows up and stuff. Overall, for the like $75 I have in it, it's great. It's on a roof on a lifted truck, so you're probably really never ever gonna see it more than from 30, 40 feet away. So that's what it looks like. Came out pretty good. We'll start putting the lights on here in the next video to show you what all the lights look like with LEDs in them, and go from there. Hopefully we'll have the clutch wheel down by then, and we'll be putting it in and we'll start sending you a video moving.